What's up, guys? It's your boy DJ James in the house, and we're gonna play some NBA Live. Shit, wait. So as you know, it's the last it's the season's ending. Let me show you. See this? It says season 2 is ending soon. You need to set your final lineups before the lineup timer. Shut up. Before the lineup timer hits 0. The final lineups will be locked in and can be used again in legacy events in the 2018-19 season 3. Season 3 is coming up. I can't wait for that, bro. I'm gonna be killing the game like I killed the game in season 2 and season 1. I'm gonna miss my team. Let's celebrate it. Let's play some Showdown. And you see, he's got these tickets and stuff. In season 3, I'll show you what they can do. Alright, let's play Showdown, and let's play my classic lineup. Cause I don't use my classic lineup that much. Like I use my NBA lineup. Let's go. Oh, and I won the NBA Finals too, and that was lit. It was too easy though. Alright, let's go. Oh, this is too easy. You see this guy? He's an ankle breaker god. 93 overall. Ankle breaker god. I tested him out so many times. All he does in the court is break ankles and splash threes. Oof. I'm about to show you. I bet my phone dropped. Alright, let's go. Let's get it. Alright. Tony Parker is, man, he should never been playing this game. Never been playing on this court. Alright, let's go. Oh. Ooh, spin move. Ooh! Layup! Oh, and one. Oh, that's a foul. Oh, let's go. Alright, I'll give you that. I'll let you have that. Alright, my turn. Ooh. Spin move. Oh! Double cross. What are you doing? Oh, let's go, alley-oop. Alley-oop. I'm already starting fresh. Come on, give me that. Give me that. Let's go. Let's go. I hope in season 3 you can actually use your classic lineups in the season. Hope that's possible. Come on. Give me that. Give me that. Oh shit. Oh, why you oh crap. Oh shit. Oh, no. You're not the one supposed to get your ankles broken. Oh, shit. Alright, that's it. That does it. Nah. Oh. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can. Let's go. Give me that. You trash. Why are you jumping? You always do that. Come on, give me that. Get that out of here. Okay. You ready for this? Are you ready for this? Step back 3. Oh, shit. What? Oh, damn. Nah. Come on, kill it. You've been killing it all morning. Come on, splash. What the hell?
What was that?
Hey, you shut up. You shut up. You shut up. You shut up. Shut up. What? Alright, Israel. Don't make me roast you on YouTube. Don't make me roast you. Yes, I am. I'm recording it, dumbass. Israel, don't make me start. Oh! Let's go! Replay that! Behind the back? Woo! You trash. Give me that. Alright, I didn't get ankle breakers before. Let's get it now. Ooh. Oh, where is he going? Where is he going? Step. Fuck. Shit. Steady. I may have lost, but let's see if I really lost. I gotta wait. Oh, but look at this cash though, and let it rain and clear it up. Fuck. And let it rain and clear it up, and let it rain and clear it up. Shut up. 146,000 golds. I can do anything with this, but I'm still gonna save it because since the season's ending, but the players have been getting higher. Well, except the trash ones. I'm talking about the elite ones. Shit, come on. What the hell? What? Come on. Let me go to elite players. Damn. Yep, they're high. But still not high as the referees. I mean, I can get him, but I mean, he's trash. I need a. Did I win? Yep, I lost. Yep, I lost. Let's play a new game. Oh, I just got more money. Okay, let's go to Showdown. You know, I never got stuff from curry, so I hope in next season I get a stuff from curry. What? And he's a 90 overall. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna kill him. I mean, his player may look higher than mine, but trust me, I'm gonna kill him. I'll show you what I mean. There's a reason why I haven't been doing more YouTube videos. It's because I was practicing on my basketball skills in basketball practice. And also, I'll show you. I eat elite players. I eat good players. I steal them. I take all their will. And what? Oh. I'm struggling. Oh, shit. Pass it to Larry Bird. Alley-oop. Oh, if I can tell you, I still got that Larry Bird. I'm gonna show you him. Larry Bird be killing the game. Good legend. Give me that. Trash. Defensive foul. More like fake foul. Give me that. This is being weak. Referees don't even know what a foul is. Okay, he makes that. Okay. Ace on the ground. Haha. That leaves me. Oh, behind the back. Oh, spin move. Oh, Euro. Layup. Get your ass back on defense, boy. Get your ass back on defense, boy. They can't guard me. They can't guard me. They can't guard me. Wait, what? What am I saying? And they still trash. Pass it to the bird. The bird is the word. I put the bird. Bird is the word. I put the bird. Oh! Oh! Shit! Oh, damn! His ankles got broken! Larry Bird! I put the bird. Bird is the word. I put the bird. Yeah, Noah? Okay, wait. Oh, splat. Ah, damn. Guys, we gotta do part 2 of this thing, cause my little brother, we gotta go to take him to the store. But alright, but let me just finish this game. We gotta do part 2. Split. Okay, later. Peace out. And as always, it's the Splash Bros.